2025 is ending, and the truth is, most people will enter 2026 carrying the same regrets, same habits, same frustrations, and then wonder why their life did not change. But not you, not this time. Because today I am sharing the 7 things you must leave behind in December 2025. If you want 2026 to be the breakthrough of your life, let's start. Number 1. Leave behind the someday mentality. You know that dream? That fitness goal? That course you wanted to start? That content you wanted to create? That business idea you keep delaying? Most people keep saying someday, and someday never comes. In 2025, maybe you told yourself, I'll start in January. When I get time, I'll do it. Let me feel ready first. But readiness is a myth. Action creates readiness. Small steps create momentum. Before 2026 begins, promise yourself one thing: no more someday. If something matters, start the tiniest step now. Number 2, leave behind people who drain your energy. Let's be honest, some people are not bad, but they are bad for your mental peace. You know the type negative about everything, make fun of your growth, pull you back whenever you level up, only call you when they need something. 2026 is not the year to carry dead weight. Distance doesn't need drama. You don't need to fight, argue, or prove anything. Just quietly shift your energy to people who inspire you, people whose presence makes you feel alive. Protecting your energy is not selfish, it's survival. Number 3, leave behind trying to please everyone. 2025 may have taught you this. No matter what you do, someone will still be unhappy, someone will still judge you, someone will still misunderstand you. So why are you shrinking yourself? Why are you dimming your ambitions, your creativity, your voice, just so people can feel comfortable? 2026 should be the year where you stop asking, what will people say? And start asking, मुझे क्या चाहिए? What I need? Because the moment you stop pleasing everyone, you start respecting yourself. Number 4, leave behind the habit of overthinking. Overthinking is like running on a treadmill. You get exhausted but reach nowhere. How many opportunities did you lose in 2025 because you were stuck in your mind? How many messages you typed and deleted? How many chances you did not take because of what if I fail? Listen, if you keep thinking worst case scenarios, you will keep living worst case outcomes. Before 2026, build a new rule. When something scares you but excites you, do it anyway. Your future is built by action, not by overthinking. Number 5, leave behind comparing your life to others. Social media has made everyone feel behind. You see someone traveling, someone buying a car, someone getting engaged, someone succeeding faster, and suddenly your own life feels small. But remember, people post highlights, not the struggles. Everyone is fighting their own battle quietly. Your journey is not late. Your timeline is not wrong. 2026 is the year to unfollow anyone who makes you feel less. Focus on your chapter, not someone else's finished page. Number 6. Leave behind the fear of failing. If you want a different 2026, you must be willing to fail. Failing means you tried. Failing means you moved. Failing means you are alive. Most people remain stuck because they want a guarantee before taking action. But life doesn't reward guarantees. Life rewards courage. Before this year ends, ask yourself, what would I attempt if I was not afraid of looking stupid? Your answer, that is your next step. Walk into 2026 with fearless actions. Number 7. Leave behind the old version of yourself. This is the hardest one. Your old habits, old thinking, old lifestyles, old emotional patterns. They cannot take you where you want to go. Maybe 2025 broke you. Maybe it was confusing. Maybe it was slow. Maybe not much changed. But guess what? You are still here. You learned. You survived. You grew silently. Now it's time to evolve. Before 2026 arrives, decide who you want to become. Not the person your past built, but the person your future needs. So, 2026 will not change on its own. You will change, and that will change everything. Leave behind what no longer serves you and walk into the new year lighter, stronger, and unstoppable. If you are truly ready for a fresh start in 2026, comment below. I am ready. I read every comment and I want to see how many of us are stepping into the new year with power. And if this video gave you even one useful thought, hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell icon so you don't miss any powerful content coming in 2026. Let's grow together. See you in the next video.